Hi, welcome to my channel. What's up? So this is the very first video that I've made. It's just me doing my makeup, telling about dreams, guys I want to be my boyfriend, my lonely, jobless life. Yeah. If you want to watch that and watch me get ready and also learn, I guess, how to do this glowy type look, then keep on watching. I'm just gonna do my makeup because I'm bored and I might go to a party today. I don't know. I think it starts at 1, but I am probably not gonna go. And then I'm just doing my makeup for no reason. I don't really have a lot of things. I mean, I just kind of like do my makeup how I do my makeup. I don't like have a lot of shit. Yeah, no. Okay. So, first we're going in with our brows. I'm gonna use Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in Soft Brown. Also, I really suck at doing my eyebrows, so, what the? Oh my god. I'm sorry, this is going so bad already. I am not this bad at makeup. Like, not, like I'm bad, but like not this bad. So I went to a party yesterday. Well, I tried to go to a party. So, a little backstory. I don't have a job right now. I'm currently jobless. An unemployed bitch, if you will. It's the summertime now, and I thought that it was gonna be so much fun, you know? Gang shit every day. No, that was not the case. Everybody's working. Because I'm definitely an adult now. So since everybody's working, I've just been home all day, literally all day, just doing nothing. I have no money to do anything, no gas to do anything, nobody to do anything with. So I'm just home all day, doing nothing. I went to this party because I was like, bruh, I literally haven't done anything all week. I need to get out of this house. I need to socialize. And right before me and my friend were about to walk in, it literally got, like, a security guard came with a bulletproof vest and everything, acting like he was gonna, I don't know, do something. Like, who's gonna shoot you? And we were like, well, great, can't go to a party now. And so I called my other friend and I was like, yo, the party got shut down. And he was like, bro, why? And I was like, cause the security guard with a bulletproof vest came. And he was like, all right, go to Kevin's house. And I was like, I don't know where that's at. They came and picked me and my other friend up, and we went to Kevin's house. And that was low-key whack. The whole night was whack, but like, it was better than just staying inside all day. So, point blank period, got a little crossed. Just kidding. We only drink here. Came home, ate my feelings in food, and then passed out at like 2 a.m. I'd say it was a good night. I had a dream though during my crossed state of sleeping. It was literally the end of the world and everybody was gonna die because the government put out assassins and literally had them blend in with people like all of our lives. And then at this very point in time, the government was like, fuck it, and sent the assassins to just kill everyone. So some of the assassins were at this party that I was at, and they just start slashing people, like literally just slashing people. And I was like, bitch, I gotta leave. I tried to leave, and I ran with one of my friends. I don't even know who this bitch was. We ran out trying to get away from the house, like just not be there and just like run. And all of a sudden this dude that I know, like I knew him in my dream, He was an assassin. We'll call him Joe. And Joe was literally out here throwing knives. Throwing knives. Really? He killed the girl. He killed my friend. Don't know her, but she died. Then he started throwing knives at me, and I was like dodging them shits. I was like an athlete, you know, running for my life. And then I came across these like condos, and I like went inside, and then it was like a dream inside of another dream. And basically when I went inside the condo, the other dream started, and my friend Diego was there. He was like, yo, get inside this closet. And it was like a dark ass closet, and I was like, all right. And so I went inside the closet, and then there was a whole bunch of other people there that were like crying and stuff like that. They were like, I'm gonna die. And then all of a sudden this bitch comes in, and she's like acting like she's all scared and stuff. And so they were like, yeah, come in, you're safe. Then she comes out with a knife. Bitch was an assassin. She was an assassin too. I was like, bro, I can't get a break. So basically everybody died. I got away in time. When I went out of the closet, that's when the first dream like continued, because remember it was like a dream inside of a dream. And right when I walked out of the closet is when I like walked out of the house or the condo or whatever, and Joe was literally like at that moment crossing the corner, like turning the corner to come and like find me and kill me. And he saw me, and I ran back inside the condo, locked the door, made sure, or tried to make sure, that the back door was locked. But it wasn't my condo. I didn't know whose condo it was, so I didn't know where the back door was, and so I was just exploring, and then I came across this cut through the wall. Like, I don't know, it was like an explosion happened, and there was like a hole in the wall. And so I went in there, came across this wired fence, this metal fence, I don't know what you want to call it, like a regular fence, and there he was, waiting for me. And that's when I woke up, because I think I got too scared. And I woke up. And that's the dream. Next, we're gonna do foundation. And I'm using the Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation in the color 222. Also, everybody in my house is like gone, has been gone, right? Like, I live with my grandparents and my mom is always working like every single day. And my grandpa, he went to Germany, right? Because he like fights martial arts and stuff like that. He went to Germany. And so my grandma, she's been like, oh my god, I'm free, and like is spending time with her sister and just like isn't home. So I've been trying to like throw a party, but like nobody wants to come. Literally, like, do you know how frustrating it is to finally get the house to yourself, like in ever, and nobody wants to come party with you. Oh, my life is so sad. And then I'm going to use this concealer. It's Tarte Creaseless Concealer. It's their vegan one, I believe. We're saving the environment, people. I don't know what I'm going to do for this. Like, I want this channel to be like, I don't know, anything that I want. Like, I can post a vlogs because, you know, I have such an interesting life and shit. Do mukbangs. Oh my god, literally sit and eat. Easy. I do that all the time. I could do an ASMR channel. So maybe it's like full coverage, supposed to be full coverage, but like then again, you can still see things that I want you to see. But like maybe it's just because I can't hide this mess. Anyways, next I'm gonna be contouring. I don't really know how to do it. I know a little, like I dabble in the contour, you know. Then I put that shit all in my forehead because a bitch got a big forehead. And I'll just kind of put it down here, make my nose snatched. Did that even do anything? Also, I'm supposed to be going to this guy's like going away party. And it's Joe, actually. Joe. The dude that was in my dream that tried to kill me. Yeah, him. I just don't think I want to go because I don't know. I was trying to make dude my lover. The love of my life, but like he's a frat boy. It's probably not gonna happen. But anyways, he invited me to his going away party. But like, did he invite other bitches? Like, am I gonna go there and like see his other hoes? Or did he just invite me? Yeah, so I don't know if I'm gonna go because I don't have anybody to go with. Like, if it's just gonna be like his friends, like I'm not gonna know his friends. I only know him and I don't want to follow him around the whole entire time. When it comes to making new friends, like that, there's nothing worse. Literally nothing worse than making new friends. I have nobody else to go with. And I want to go because he's leaving. Like, it's his going away party for like this summer. And like, again, I was trying to make homie my dude. Like, my dude. We're just gonna lose touch. He's gonna stop sliding up on my Snap stories. And now I'm just contouring with this Rimmel London Natural Bronzer because we're all natural, baby. And we're doing the best that we can. All up on that shit. And on my nose. Next, I'm going in with the Becca highlighter, Champagne Pop, and it's broken as well. Everything I have is broken. And then I put that on my cheekbones, you know, the process. Ooh. Wow. Then I put on my nose, like right there. Then on the bridge, I'm gonna go back in with the bronzer and I'm gonna use an eyeshadow brush, whatever you got, and put it on my lid. I'm gonna go back in with the Becca Champagne Pop highlighter and put it in the corners of my eyes, underneath my brow bone. Now for my favorite part that literally makes me look so pretty, blush. This is the Fit Me Maybelline New York blush in the shade Fard Joues. I don't know, it's French. I take Italian. Bella. Don't be shy with it, literally, don't be shy with it. On your nose too. Anywhere you want. Next, pull out your eyelash curler because a bitch was blessed. A bitch was blessed with some long eyelashes, but she was not blessed with curled ones because God was like,
this bitch too bomb. Like, we cannot have her running around with curled eyelashes. Like, that is not okay. She's literally gonna cause an accident because everyone's just gonna be staring at her because she's so hot.
Literally what God said. Not kidding. Then you go in with mascara, and I'm using a waterproof one from Maybelline. It's the Lash Sensational, and I put that on. Then for your bottom lashes, I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Then lastly, we're gonna use this. Okay, so tip to make your lips look bigger. I'm gonna use NYX Professional Makeup thing. So I put it underneath, like a little lower than like where my natural lips are, and just like follow. I don't know. Now I have a bigger bottom lip, I think. I think. And I know you're not supposed to do this because it'll like make it look unnatural, I guess. Like you drew something, but like I'm gonna put lip gloss on because I cannot go without lip gloss. And this is such a pretty lip gloss. It's so pretty. It is, oh, it's Jordana. So I actually got this at Save Mart. Is the Jordana Gloss Sensation Lip Shine. This one. Yeah. But it's so good. And all of their lip glosses are really good, actually. Then I'm gonna use my setting spray. I'm almost out of this, but it's so good. I love it so much. It's the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray. That's the video. Thanks for watching. So I didn't end up going to Joe's party, but I saw I was overdrawn on my account, so I went to Ross to return shoes that I didn't wear, so I wasn't overdrawn anymore because I'm broke. So I guess this look didn't go to waste. Anyways,